Thank you for coming. I am Anis, the HR officer. Okay, let's move to the first question. Briefly tell us about yourself.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Suzianti Binti Hashim. I'm 23 years old and I'm born at Johor. Before this, I studied at Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Perempuan Temenggung Ibrahim for Form 6 and now I'm studying at University Malaya for Bachelor of Management Media Studies.
Okay, next question. What do you know about the BBC?
What I know, BBC is British Broadcasting Corporation. Is a British public service broadcasting. Its main responsibility is to provide impartial public service broadcasting in the UK. Channel Island, and Isle of Man. The BBC is largely financed by annual television license fees, which are paid by those who own TV sets or watch live television transmission or such device of computer. It's offer 5 radio networks in British, ranging from popular music to news and information, as well as national television channel. Under its charter, the BBC may not advertise. It is required to refrain from broadcasting any option of its own on current affairs and matters of public policy, and to be impartial in its treatment of controversy.
That's all. Next question. As you are applying for a junior journalist, what are the problems you see in the world today?
The most problem I see in the world is pollution. Pollution is the most difficult global issue to combat, as the umbrella term refers to ocean litter, pesticide and fertilizer, air, light and noise pollution. Clean water is essentially for human and animals, but more than 1 billion people don't have access to clean water due to pollution from toxic substance, sewage, or industrial waste. It is of the utmost important that people all over the world begin working to minimize the various types of pollution in order to better the health of the planet and all those living on it. 2.1 billion people in countries undergoing urbanization have inaccessibility to clean drinking water as a result of pollution, poverty and poor management of resources. Water resources are depleted by agriculture and industry energy production. To put into perspective, agriculture accounts for 70% of the reduction of water around the world, with 75% of a given country's water used for this purpose and depleted by contamination. Fortunately, there have been a recent increase in effort to develop technology to combat contamination and reduce the rate of water depletion.
Okay. As a teenager, what is your role to solve that issue?
As a teenager, I would do not flush pill, liquid or powder medication or drugs and down to the toilet. For recommendation on proper disposal for all type of medical waste, visit the CTDEP publication here. Second, avoid using the toilet as a waste basket. Most tissue, wrapper, dust clothes and other paper goods should be properly discarded in a waste basket. The fiber in reinforced cleaning product that has been popular should never be discarded in the toilet. Third, avoid using a garbage disposal. keep solid water, keep solid waste to make a compost pile from vegetable scrap. Install a water efficient install a water efficient toilet. In the meantime, put a brick or 1 per 2 gallon container in the standard toilet tank to reduce water use per flush.
That's all. If we hire you, do you mind to be posted to the war zone like Palestine? Why and why not?
Yes, I would go to the Palestine because I will go to Palestine to see the real situation at there. Life in Palestine is complex. The media often portray one side of the complicity, but to know what is the real taking place on the ground, I will have to visit Palestine for myself. Despite news article and television broadcasts stating that Palestine is a dangerous place, I will discover during my visit that Palestine is far safer than portrayed. There is a complicated political web that shapes the daily life of Palestine. Seeing for myself what is happening on the ground will give me a perspective that the media is the reason why I need to go to Palestine.
For the next question.
Yes.
And question the 10 years from now.
Speaking honestly, I do not have any plan. I prefer to live in present moment and focus on a task at hand. Right now, my goal is to get a job here and try my best in every task. One of the most important thing I learned in life is that when I take care of the present, the future will take care of itself. Attitude to be a reporter and future goal. I will try my best and let's see what door will open to me in 10 years from now.
Okay. Based on your explanation, we understand and it's very good. Okay, this is the last question. We open it to you for any question.
I have a question. What are the skills you looking for in a ideal junior journalist?
Okay. Journalist skills are the abilities that help a journalist through either verbal or written means. Your daily duties may include interviewing sources, reporting news, and writing script or articles. Whether you're writing a newspaper article or a broadcast, screen, clear and concise writing helps to reach audience at all reading levels. You can communicate better by being empathic, friendly, and confident as you present the news or a report. Second, it's essential that journalists report news that is factual and relevant. You may come across multiple information body language when interviewing people, as you may notice when someone is lying of withholding information.
I
Okay.
understand. Thank you.
Okay, that's all. We end the interview. Thank you.